Hey, what's going on, construction pros? Are you looking for some good and comfortable work boots that will not only protect your feet but will make you feel comfortable and productive as well all day long? Then that's great, because in today's video I want to talk to you about what's the best work boots for contractors. So if this is for you, then stick around as we're going to talk about safety boots straight after this. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Ninja DIY TV, the place where you're going to find answers to your questions related to construction, DIY, tools, and much more. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Adrian. I work in the construction industry and I share my knowledge with beautiful and skilled people like yourself over to my blog ninjadiy.com, where you can find in-depth reviews, how-tos, and many helpful guides that will help you take your DIY and knowledge about construction topics to the next level. So, construction pros, let's cut to the chase, as I don't want to bore you with a huge video about work boots. Here is what I believe to be the best work boots for contractors. It's the Timberland PRO 26078 Titan 6-inch. Alright, and here's why I believe these work boots are the best work boots for contractors today. As you can see, these safety boots doesn't have the usual steel toe cap protection. The Timberland Titan 6-inch comes with an alloy protection cap. The best thing about this is that due to the alloy protection cap, the boots will be lighter than the ones that usually have the steel toe protection. Not only that, but the alloy toe cap in this boot, it's wider and it won't hurt your toes as much as the boots that comes with the steel toe cap protection. Another great feature of the Timberland Titan 6-inch is the rubber sole. This sole is anti-slippery, which will protect you from falling when you work in wet conditions, for example, or maybe in oily, greasy, slippery environments. And to be honest, I could talk for hours about how amazing this contractor work boot is, but I'm sure you don't need and you don't want that, right? Just remember that if you are a construction pro like myself, you only want to wear the best quality work boots possible, because we work a lot on our feet, going up and down all day long, carrying heavy tools and equipment all over the job site. You know, we work when it's hot, we work when it's cold as well. So we want from our boots at least to keep us safe and, you know, keep us comfortable in all of those conditions mentioned above. I'm sure you agree with me. At least that's what I want from my boots. How about you? What do you want from your boots? So as you can see, the Timberland PRO Titan 6-inch, it's a top quality boot made from premium, soft, full grain leather to provide you comfort all day and to minimize the breaking time, which is already almost inexistent. This boot, it's good to go right out of the box. Hey, listen, before we go, I'll leave you a few links in the description where you can read what hundreds of customers are saying about these boots on Amazon. Plus, I've made an article on my blog, ninjadiy.com, about the best work boots for contractors, where I review not only this Timberland boot, but also another 4 great boots for construction workers. Check it out and leave me a comment, please. Either on the blog, on the article that I've done for that topic, or here on this video. Just tell me what do you think about my choices. Maybe if you want to share which boots are you using, you know, it's good to know. And please don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and touch that little bell, notification bell, so you can be notified, you know, every now and then when I release a video. It will let you know. So thanks for watching, and stay safe, ninjas, and happy DIYing.